Hey everybody, a little Tuesday night update for you here. I think it's Tuesday. Pretty sure it's Tuesday. Got a video going. I'm starting to work on the doors on the 1990 7.3 Idi diesel crew cab truck. Getting the bed liner off the inside of this door. I just started doing that. Got a coating of that on there, and that'll be in an upcoming video. Not doing a whole lot of showing this because I've already done that. And then we're going to get prepping this door for primer, show you how I do that. And I got three others to do. I got another one that has the bed liner on the bottom, on the inside and the outside. Kind of a pain to get off, but this stuff really works fairly well. So probably need to get another can of that. This one's maybe got a quarter of it left, something like that. But anyway, guys, how's this down here? And I'm waiting for that to dry, so I thought I'd do a little update video for you. We've got snow out here. Cats are waiting to get fed. It's like 28, 29 degrees out right now. I think the wind finally let up. It was really windy. And rear tire on this truck hasn't gone down in it's been several days. And it's staying up, not sure why. Having some people asking about the Bronco again. And well, I'll walk over there. Probably gonna pick up some wind noise. Well, I know you are. Try to not to. I don't know if I can get over here. I got a drift here. Starting to go away. It's melting some. Wind comes out of the northwest, and then you get drifts out in here. That's not too bad. Did talk to the wife, I don't know, it's been 2-3 days ago. She's wanting to come down and get this thing. Says that she has somebody who wants to buy it as is. They don't want to pay a whole lot for it. And honestly, I just don't want to do anything with it. That was her deal, like I've said before. I did, I don't know, I brought up giving her, well, I guess giving her the amount they were going to give her for it and just buy it off of her, and then I could finish it up and, well, it'd be mine. I could do whatever I wanted to do with it. I don't know. It still needs a lot of work, still needs, there's some money that has to go into it yet. Paint-wise, boy, she needs cleaned up. She's dirty. Windshield's broke, so it needs replaced. A couple $100. And then putting the thing all back together. I mean, I got a lot of the parts in here. Somebody wants to buy it as is, so I know what... I hope they know what they're doing, because without ever taking one of these apart again, you're going to have a lot of fun trying to figure it all out, I can tell you that. But that's what's up with that. How did this get in here? Where did this come from? I think that's off of my son's truck. I guess he put that down in here. He hit a tree, I believe. Anyway, I'm not going into that. I didn't know that was in here. But anyway, the Bronco is sitting here. I do have the option to buy it, I guess. I don't know. I haven't looked under the hood of this thing for a long time. I guess it's not too bad. If nothing else, for the price that somebody's offered to buy, I could part this thing out and probably make more money off of it than that, but I don't know. That's a pain to do as well. So, I don't know, but there it sits, and it's going to have to decide what the heck I want to do with it. Can't find the title to it at the moment. I know it's around here somewhere, but I don't know. She wants to come down and get it. Well, it needs new tires, needs a windshield, needs paint, needs put back together. There's a heck of a lot of work that needs to go back into that thing. I know people wanted to see that done. Question is, you want to see that done, or you'd rather see some work on the crew cab up there? I would much rather work on the crew cab myself, because I think that could be a really sweet truck. didn't realize this door wasn't blocked shut. That could be a really nice truck. I mean, it's cosmetic, it just needs some body work. The biggest thing is getting a bed for it. And I'm sure you're picking up wind noise. But the biggest thing is finding a bed for it. Whether I find a rust-free bed or one that just needs some minor work done on it, put a flat bed on it, I don't know. Got the doors, so erase those. Needs a couple front fenders, which I have one of. They're not too expensive. I think the hood can be salvaged. So I don't know, comment, boy, that wind. Comment down below. Hi, Mama Cat. Comment down below whether, what do you want to see? The Bronco? You want to see that? Don't say both. Personally, I think I'd rather see this truck go. I like that truck. Boy, it drives down the road good. But, I don't know. I guess I have the option to buy the Bronco off of her. I just don't know if I want to be honest with you. I'm getting back in the shop where it's nice and warm. It's cold out here. Had this truck fired up a couple days ago. Running good. I mean, I didn't drive it, but I backed it out here, let it warm, and get all the fluids circulating in it and everything, and made some wings on this last night. Gonna have some more videos coming out on this. I need to build something up by the house to do this in, or do those kind of videos. My other channel, the Fox Shop Barbecue. If you aren't familiar with that, it's just the Fox Shop BBQ. Subscribe to that. I haven't put a lot out on there lately. I do plan on it. Just boy, when it's so cold out, and it's been colder than this out, when it's so cold out, carrying things up to the house is kind of a pain. But anyway, you can look that up and subscribe to that if you want to. But yeah, working on the door tonight, and takes a while for this stuff to set up. Well, it doesn't really set up, to eat through the bed liner and then scrape it off. I'm going to try it here in about 10 minutes, I guess. But anyway, guys, that's what's going on here tonight at the Fox Shop. Oh, I did get one of these. Jody got me that. I got a birthday coming up here shortly. So I said that's what I wanted for my birthday. She got me the new, well, it's over here on my tripod, which looks like it's sitting a little crooked, but she got me the new GoPro Hero 9 Black for Christmas. Still getting used to that. But anyway, guys, that's what's going on here tonight. Hope you're all having a good night. I'm just waiting for that stuff to eat through the bed liner and peel it off. So full video coming out on the door. I don't know if it'll be out Thursday or not. I hope so. I plan on working on this thing tonight. Depends on how easy all the bed liner comes off, and then working on it again tomorrow. And showing you how I'm prepping these for primer. And hopefully we'll get them primer here pretty soon, and I'd like to get to work on that truck. So anyway, guys, that's what's going on. Hope you're having a good night. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.